In his lectures and publications, Joseph Murphy outlined how our subconscious minds are where our strength comes from. He claims that our ideas are like seeds and our subconscious mind is like a garden. Because of this, to attract what we want into our lives, we must cultivate positive subconscious ideas and thoughts. We will always encounter unwelcome events if we constantly feed our subconscious mind with opposing beliefs. Murphy claims that reprogramming our subconscious minds is the only way to live the life we want. But how can you do this most efficiently? Is there any other method besides visualization and affirmations for reprogramming the subconscious mind? This video is for you if you've tried affirmations and visualizations but are still struggling with restricting beliefs. In this video, we will discover new techniques to reprogram our subconscious mind, which will help you swiftly eliminate harmful and restricting beliefs and allow you to materialize your desires in only a few days. To further assist you with this, you can grab your free copy of the Wealth DNA Code down in the link below. This PDF taught me how to free myself from the limiting beliefs that were holding me back, and I was able to manifest better. Before we delve into this strategy inspired by Murphy's teachings, watch the entire video as it can transform your life story. But before we proceed, kindly click the red subscribe button below to join our YouTube family and stay connected with our channel. Now, let's begin the journey. During our childhood, our subconscious thoughts are receptive and open. We quickly adopt beliefs and are highly impressionable. However, as we age, our minds become more rigid and fixated on what we already know. Our subconscious mind may be filled with outdated thoughts and beliefs that no longer serve us, formed when we lack conscious awareness. Consequently, it becomes challenging to modify negative ideas stored in our subconscious. Fortunately, Murphy offers several methods to communicate with and rewire the subconscious mind, enabling transformation. According to Murphy, the period before sleep holds remarkable potential as it bridges the conscious and subconscious world. During this time, you exist in a state of flux, oscillating between these two worlds. Consequently, it becomes an opportune moment to establish communication with the subconscious mind. Engaging in dialogue with the subconscious before bed is a powerful technique for reprogramming our underlying thoughts and beliefs. Previous attempts at utilizing visualization and affirmations have been made, but now let's explore this method further. The underlying principle is that our conscious thoughts provide instructions to our subconscious mind. As these thoughts are interpreted as commands, the subconscious immediately goes to work, manifesting experiences that align with our conscious ideas. When we engage in self-talk, we are essentially communicating with our subconscious mind. It is essential to recognize that we are constantly engaging in self-dialogue. However, most individuals unknowingly feed their subconscious minds with thoughts and beliefs that do not serve their desires. Murphy suggests that the subconscious mind acts as an obedient servant, ready to assist us in ways surpassing our limited understanding. The subconscious mind holds the true power when it comes to the capabilities of our minds. It operates with minimal conscious awareness, requiring intentional effort and being free from time and space constraints. It is the part of our mind that connects us with the divine and holds unlimited intellectual potential. While manifesting desired outcomes is often unsuccessful, communicating with the subconscious mind is most effective during the moments before sleep and upon waking up. During sleep, conscious thought recedes, allowing the dominant presence of the subconscious mind. This presents an opportune time to intentionally implant ideas into the subconscious, as the conscious brain has not yet resumed its daily routines and rituals. Before proceeding, let's recap the significant benefits of engaging in conversations with your subconscious mind before bed or when waking up. We will then explore the most effective method for communicating with and reprogramming your subconscious. Often, when something unfavorable occurs, many people unconsciously replay the events of their day as they sleep. The aggressive driver who rear-ended you or the criticism from your coworkers can still occupy your thoughts hours later. Unless we actively intervene, we remain vulnerable to these automatic beliefs. By consciously engaging with your subconscious mind, you assume control over what you create and attract into your life. In addition to dispelling the repetitive thoughts that rehash your day, you begin to eliminate these idle and meaningless automatic ideas that only serve to draw more of what you don't desire. Additional automatic thoughts of fear and concern arise following significant events. However, you can effectively eliminate these fearful and anxious thoughts by engaging in self-talk before bed. Throughout your life, you may have various fears and concerns related to your spouse, children, finances, career, health, safety, and security, among other things. These thoughts often emerge when you lie down to sleep, particularly when your mind is not occupied with other tasks. Recognizing that continuously dwelling on these worries and phobias can harm your well-being is essential. By keeping these anxieties in mind, you inadvertently provide instructions to your subconscious mind, reinforcing their significance and expanding their influence. On the other hand, establishing a positive pattern of self-talk before sleep can help counteract these negative thought patterns and set a solid foundation for positive transformation. Establishing a consistent routine of speaking to your subconscious before bed is undeniably a valuable skill that I have found immensely beneficial. I revere those few minutes before bedtime as they hold precious opportunities. Within the limited daily time, you can intentionally shape your life and instruct your subconscious regarding what you wish to attract and manifest. By making it a regular practice, you establish an energetic pattern that gradually and significantly influences the course of your life. Engaging in positive self-talk not only prevents negative thoughts from dominating your mind before sleep, but also enhances the receptivity of your subconscious to new ideas. When you engage in uplifting self-talk before bed, you experience improved sleep quality. Another remarkable advantage of positive self-talk is its ability to counteract the tendency for worrying and fearful thoughts to keep you awake at night. Unlike conjuring worst-case scenarios that can disrupt your sleep, conversing with your subconscious and focusing on your desires and the beauty you wish to extend in your life rarely leads to a night of restless sleep. After just a few nights of practicing speaking to your subconscious before bed, you will likely notice a significant improvement in both the quantity and quality of your sleep. It's important to remember that your subconscious mind takes charge while you sleep and holds immense power. Communication with your subconscious before sleep can also positively impact your waking experience, leaving you feeling energized and enthusiastic each day. Conversely, if you go to bed consumed by dread and anxiety, you will likely wake up fearful and worried. This is a common experience for many people, as they often wake up to a sudden shock of terror. However, when you go to bed with thoughts and feelings aligned with your desired life, your subconscious can contemplate and work on manifesting what would bring you happiness. Now, let's delve into how to effectively engage with your subconscious mind and explore different techniques and theories surrounding this process. The self-help industry is often filled with deceptive practices, leaving individuals confused and misled amidst the plethora of YouTube videos and methods claiming to reprogram the unconscious mind. However, the human mind possesses an incredible potential that can be fully realized when the conscious mind is set aside. Communicating with the subconscious mind does not necessarily require formal training, but rather an awareness of one's actions and constant dialogue with the unconscious. This communication takes various forms, such as self-talk, daydreaming, concerns, and worries, all serving as channels to connect with the subconscious. It is beneficial to engage in deliberate communication before sleep to tap into the receptive state of the subconscious mind. Being attentive and purposeful allows you to seize the opportunity presented during this window of heightened receptivity. One practical technique is to begin by expressing gratitude. By focusing your thoughts on things you are thankful for, simply saying, "I am so thankful for," as you lay in bed with the lights out and your head on a pillow, you shift your mindset towards a positive and uplifted state. Cultivating sentiments of gratitude has been extensively discussed as a powerful tool for personal growth and transformation. Given that your ideas grow, it follows that your capacity for gratitude must grow as well. You address that person subconsciously when you want more of what you like. Nothing prevents you from feeling gratitude for something you have not yet manifested. One of the critical techniques Dr. Joseph Murphy advises to harness the power of your subconscious mind is to express gratitude in advance. The second is conversational skills. This approach verges on the bizarre, and some might find it unrealistic. Over the years, various artists, writers, and scientists have used it. It is effective when you have an urgent inquiry or a challenging issue. Since it is interconnected with limitless intellect, your subconscious mind can access all past, present, and future knowledge and wisdom. Asking inquiries to your subconscious mind before bed when you're sleepy will always result in responses. A discussion with Pablo Picasso, Charles Darwin, or Albert Einstein may also be had by acting as though you are sitting down with them. Ask your questions, then listen to their responses. Take a glance at your past. This method, which Joseph Murphy advocated, is one of the best methods to speak with the subconscious, which is why I adore it. The strategy is to put oneself to sleep while focusing on this precise time. Then see yourself in a time and location where your desired outcome has already materialized. Look back at the old you lying in bed right now from where you are, thinking you will have what you have right now. One effective psychological technique that can make visualization more engaging and straightforward is the Q&A method, precisely the fourth approach. When facing a challenge or seeking guidance, you can ask your subconscious mind for advice before sleeping. The key is to refrain from actively searching for solutions or answers. Instead, treat your subconscious as someone who holds the solution and ponders the question, repeatedly asking it as you drift off to sleep. Upon awakening, please pay close attention to your initial thoughts and ideas, as the solution will likely present itself. Developing the habit of conversing with your subconscious before bed becomes essential for eliminating unfavorable circumstances and manifesting desired outcomes in life. By informing your mind of your desires, you will begin to experience what you want. Consider subscribing to more videos and sharing your thoughts in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the following video.